Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning from Holy Quran, Surah Talaq, about a verse and half. So if we read this one 7 times after every prayer, every salah, start and end with Durood Sharif, Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim. Like with this Durood, if we read in the beginning and at the ending, and in between, if we read these ayat 7 times, inshallah, Allah will increase our rizq, and rizq will come from the place where you can't imagine, and Allah's special blessings will fall on the person, and everything what the person need according to Sharia will be fulfilled, inshallah. So we have to read this 7 times after every salah, start and end with Durood Sharif to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So I read these one. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَالِغُ أَمْرِهِ قَدْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدْرًا وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَالِغُ أَمْرِهِ قَدْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدْرًا وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ, and the person who fears Allah, يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا, Allah makes for him the way out from his problem. وَيَرْزُقُهُ, and give rizq to that person. مِنْ حَيْثُ, from the place, لَا يَحْتَسِبُ, from where the person can't think, can't imagine. وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ, and the person who has trust in Allah, فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ, then Allah suffices to him. Allah becomes sufficient to him for everything. إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَالِغُ أَمْرِهِ, indeed, the command of Allah fulfilled. قَدْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدْرًا, in fact, Allah has exact measurement for everything. وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَالِغُ أَمْرِهِ قَدْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدْرًا. A person who fears Allah, so Allah makes for him the way out. So Allah provides him rizq from where he don't think. And who has trust in Allah, Allah is sufficient for him for everything. Indeed, Allah completes his command. In fact, Allah has exact measurement of everything. So we have to continue to read this after every salah 7 times, start and end with Durood, Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. So inshallah our rizq, if going down, it will increase. If we have a business, if the business going down, it will improve, it will increase inshallah and become profitable. And if our job has coming down or we are jobless, then we have to continue to read this one after every salah 7 times a day. Inshallah we will get the best job. So this is Allah's special blessings. We will get it. We don't know from where it comes. So automatically you will receive the call and you will feel someone is telling you come for job or come for rizq or you are. So you will inshallah get this way unseen help of Allah in order to fulfill your needs. So you have to continue this one 7 times after every salah. Start and end with durood. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.